Hello and welcome back to This is the Harp. My name is Kimberly Hauser-Taylor and thank you for watching my channel. If you like what I do, then please click the like button and the subscribe button, and I try to post a couple times a week and we love the harp here. So today I'm going to show you, I'm going to break down and talk about a scale pattern practice that I do every day, right after the one I did in my previous video that I posted in my This is the Harp series. I think it's number 5. This is number 6. So what we'll be doing is a exercise called, I was taught it was called the Renié scale, because you can find it in Renié's method for the harp. It's also in every other method. There's some version of this. It's a simple one. You're probably like, oh yeah, I've done that. My teacher had me do that. Or a lot of you probably actually do it, which is great. More power to you. But I thought I would put it out here and break it down. Start on middle C and 4 fingers up. Make sure your thumb is up, your fingers are low. I play French style, so that it's okay for this to touch, although I do not recommend pressing into the board, like leaning on it too heavily. That'll hurt your arm. So even though it looks like I'm very close here, I'm disassociated from it. Anyway, you start right hand first. You start with your 4th finger, put it into your hand. It's important you close. 3rd closes. 2nd closes. Before you play the thumb, press the 4 underneath and on the next string up. It's just a G in this case. Now use the force of placing the 4 on the G to help push the thumb off the F. Then you come around and place on the next strings coming up with your thumb 2nd and 3rd. Now before you play the thumb, stick your 4 down onto the D. Now just play again, as you place the 4, let that press in and use that as help leverage off the thumb. Then place them and go up. Again, under. Now down to E. We're just going to go up every pitch of the scale until we have gone up a whole octave. Make sure when you come around, make sure you place them as quickly and cleanly as possible. It's like place, place, place. Make sure those replacements are quick and clean. Now at the top, come back down. Again, place 2, 3, 4 on together, grab. And when you are placed on strings ready to go, hold them. Actually put some pressure on them. You don't want to be just kind of hovering around the string. You want to be on the string. Imagine that your fingertips have little magnets in them and the strings have little magnets in them, and those magnets just gravitate and grab each other. They have to actually take a little bit of force to pull them apart. So come down, place the thumb over firmly on the F. You push on it a bit. It even allows you, it gives you space to get the 4th played. Swing that apparatus down and place on the next notes down. Up. Place down. Up. Everything closing. will show you the left hand. I'll move the camera to the other side and do the left hand. Okay, so here we are set for the left hand. Again, place under, push. The left hand. Next I will do this hands together. Now we're back to playing both hands together. I'm going to do a quick voiceover here and say, notice how I'm not looking at the strings right now? That's because I am keying in to how it sounds for a little while. And that is the Renié scale, also called the C to C scale. It's just a scale up the scale. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and please join me next time. Bye-bye.